Okay, so good morning. Andito tayo ngayon sa Evo City sa Kawit, and we are reviewing the 2025 Toyota Innova automatic na for rent ng Southside Car Rentals. So let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Ian here from Southside Car Rentals. Today, quick review tayo ng 2025 Toyota Innova AT. Isang perfect na choice para sa family trips, barkada road trips, or kahit long drives. First, this Innova has a 9-seater capacity. Mas maluwag kesa sa ibang SUVs tulad ng Expander, Rush, Avanza at Veloz. Kaya kung madami kayo, hindi na kailangan ng dalawang sasakyan pa. Second, meron itong higher ground clearance, perfect para sa mga probinsya or rough roads, kaya hassle-free kahit uneven ang daan. And third, mas malaki, powerful ang engine. Sakto para sa uphill roads papuntang Baguio or Tagaytay. Hindi ka mabibitin sa hatak kahit full load. Pagdating sa safety, may ABS with EBD. Ibig sabihin, pantay ang brake force sa bawat gulong, kaya stable kahit loaded. May airbags at stability control din for added protection. At syempre, may infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Perfect for music, navigation, and hands-free calling habang nasa biyahe. At ang pinakamaganda dito, pwede nyong rentahan ang 2025 Toyota Innova AT just for 3,500 pesos per 24 hours, plus the delivery and pull-out fee. Message us sa Facebook and search Southside Car Rentals and Car Accessories, or tawag lang sa 0995-106-5404. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car rental reviews and tips. Kita-kits sa next video. Bye!